was just flying above us and now it's just gone out of sight as I've tried to... Oh, there it is. They're actually really quite wide. I've had one fly low over me a couple of times and they're actually intimidating just for a person. All the birds are scattering. There he is, or she. Looking, oh there's two. I wondered how that came out so quickly. Yeah, that makes sense. It would be either a pair or they've got a baby they're teaching to hunt. There's another one. So yeah, I think there might be three. So it's a pair and they're teaching the baby. Look at this. Yeah, I know, it's scary. Careful, don't go there. Sorry, I'm just distracted by what's on the ground. Here, you're out up here. I want to stay near. So can you see? I'm having trouble seeing on the phone. They've gone right above us. I can't see on the phone. Oh, there they are. They've gone high a bit. I've just got one guinea fowl that's sitting up high, but because I'm here, they're unlikely to come down. And the dog's here. I think it's just two. Aerial predators. You can hear them all. You're a good boy. Yeah, you're all very good. Very clever.